All right guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to show you guys how to properly use our Blackline Ultra Foam. That's going to include dilution process, how to load it in the foam cannon, how to apply it, and then certain things to watch out for when you are doing your contact wash. So today we do have the Green Apple Ultra Foam. All of our bottles actually come with a red stopper. So before we get started with anything, we have to semi-carefully take out the red stopper just so it doesn't spill. And now we're actually ready to go. So everything that you're gonna be needing for today's video is simply a bottle of Blackline Ultra Foam cannon of your choice. We have the Blackline Ultra Foam Cannon, and then you will be needing a pressure washer and a pressure washer gun. I recommend the snub nose gun, just a little bit easier to handle when using the foam cannon. So let's get into it. First thing is first, we're gonna load up the foam cannon with water. This is a 1,000 milliliter tank. I would load it up, honestly, all the way up to 1,000 milliliter mark because you still have plenty of room to at least put 2 ounces of soap in here. That is right at 1,000. And as you can tell, we obviously still have plenty of room to put our 2 ounces of soap into the foam cannon. So now that the tank's filled up, we got our soap. And like I said before, you only need 2 ounces of this stuff. Unfortunately, I do not have a measuring cup, but hey, if you've seen any of the other videos, I tend to just eyeball things. All right, so we're gonna do roughly 2 ounces. 1, 2. And as you can tell, all right, soap is loaded up. Now we're gonna take the top of the foam cannon and simply twist this puppy on. Now, one thing I would say before starting the wash on your vehicle is to make sure that the vehicle's paint is cool to the touch. Right now, it is currently about 100 degrees up where we're at, so we had to bring the car inside because you never want to be washing in direct sun. So even after we brought the car in and the paint was still hot, at least make sure to spray it down with some water, cool down the paint, so your soap doesn't dry up on you before you're done with your contact wash. So once your car is fully sprayed down, it's wet, the paint is cool to the touch, you can now attach your foam cannon to the snub nose, simply begin spraying off the vehicle. One little tip with this thing is to make sure that you have your fan right before you just start spraying. So I usually spray it at the ground first and adjust my fan to make sure that it applies properly. And remember guys, this is roughly 2 ounces of Ultra Foam with 1,000 milliliters of water in the foam cannon. And you guys are gonna be blown away by how much this stuff foams. So as you can tell, the car is fully foamed up. And guys, look, we even still have a little bit of juice left in the cannon. This cannon can definitely hold a lot more than an original one. So that's why I mostly use our Ultra cannon. One quick thing to know about our Ultra Foam is that it is pH neutral. So even if you do happen to be washing your car out in the sun, you can technically let this dry in your paint and you'll be able to spray it off and you'll still be fine. Obviously, you don't want to do that. But if it does happen to dry in your paint, you are fine because this is a pH neutral formula. It's super safe on any paint, whether that's PPF, wrap, or obviously just regular old paint. So I just want to throw that in there so you guys knew. But now that your car is fully soaked up, you can go ahead and go in with the contact wash with your buckets, your wash mitts, even some of your brushes to hit those decals. And then your car is gonna be fully clean. Remember, just 1,000 milliliters of water first in the foam cannon, and then add your 2 ounces of soap so it doesn't bubble over the top. And then of course, stay out of direct sunlight. Do it in a garage or under coverage if you can, and then you'll be good to go. So I appreciate you guys tuning in this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you in the next one.